As of the last count, we have 4,000 still unvaccinated. So in the entire province, we are second in the rank of the total number of unvaccinated population. And that is why we are trying our very best to reach the unreached in all the areas. We go to the barangays just to make sure that all the elderlies are vaccinated, all those who are unreached can access vaccination services. I am Dr. PJ Kung, and I am the Municipal Health Officer of Cabugao. I've been working here for the last 20 years or so. We are in the Municipal Gymnasium actually, wherein we are having our daily vaccination activities for COVID-19 vaccines. Isang challenge is yung sustainability ng ating kuryente. But we have a very functional island generator. They run it during office hours and nasusustain naman ang coaching. Pero once bumagsak kasi siya, of course, and you are isolated during periods of typhoons or disasters, yun ang magiging issue or magiging challenge. Since the time it was given to us, we use it actually for COVID vaccines. And it has been of help. Especially lately, we have been having power interruptions. And doon na po namin nilalagay talaga ang ating COVID vaccine. So, ang maganda lang is with the kind of climate we have, the solar ref is very helpful in maintaining the potency of our vaccines. In behalf of the local government of Cabugao and the province of Apayao, I would like to say thank you to the government of Japan for giving us this special gift, this very special gift, in order for us to combat this COVID pandemic. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.